Welcome to another amazing home tour. My name is Luke with Dallas Home Collection. If this is your first time coming across any of my home tours, I want to say welcome to the channel. If you are relocating to the Dallas area, I know you have been doing your research and you've seen that Frisco and Prosper are two of the best places that you could live in the North Dallas area. Well, today we are right here in the beautiful city of Prosper, Texas, in the neighborhood of Star Trail. Star Trail is one of the most exclusive neighborhoods in the city of Prosper, and the model home that we are in today was built by Britton Homes. This home features 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, nearly 5,000 square feet of interior living space with a dedicated study. As you can see, we're in it right now, a media room and a game room. And guess what, guys? This same exact floor plan is for sale right now here in Star Trail for only $1.4 million. So I'm excited to show you guys this amazing model home. So without further delay, let's go ahead and start the tour. So right here in your dedicated study, which is located at the front of your home, you have these French doors with glass inlays that lead you right into this study. You have this built in across the back of your wall here, beautiful wood floors on the floor here, and check out this light fixture. This is one thing that you're gonna see as a theme in this home is some amazing fixtures throughout the home. You have this arched window overlooking the front of your home. Absolutely stunning. So I want you guys to follow me around. We're gonna do something a little bit unconventional and we're gonna start upstairs. So let's go and check it out. I love how this staircase winds all the way upstairs, gives you an amazing view to downstairs from here. Welcome to the second level of this amazing home. You have this catwalk that leads us right over into our game room. But before we get into the game room, check this out. You have these 22-foot ceilings that overlook your foyer right here in your game room. You have this large game room with a tray ceiling, these beautiful light fixtures, and one of my favorite games. Skylar, are you any good at foosball?
I'm decent.
Yeah, man, this is my game. If you would have caught me at the YMCA when I was like 12 years old, man, this was my game. But you have a foosball table right here in your game room. This is a massive game room. I love the ceiling height that you have in this room. Your game room leads you right over into your media room. What is a brand new home without having your own home theater? As you can see, you have an open wall theater that opens up into your game room as well, but these beautiful built-ins across the back. You have this fluted wood across the back where your TV is, and it's not set up as a traditional theater. It's set up more like a living room area, but this is comfortable. Could you imagine just having movie nights here with your family on Friday nights? That's a big thing in my family. We love to watch movies. So let me go ahead and leave out of this room because I can spend all day here. Now upstairs, we do have 3 additional bedrooms. 3 secondary bedrooms are located upstairs. You have one just behind where you are now, but come over here. Let's go and check out your first secondary bedroom. Down this hallway, you actually have the first bathroom that we're gonna see. So you have your first full bath here, really nice octagon shaped tile on the floor. And I love this bedroom. You have a step down leading us right over into bedroom number 1. This is a decent sized room. Right over here, you do have your walk-in closet. Your walk-in closet has a window in it. How cool is that? So now let's go and check out the rest of this home. We're gonna go and check out our secondary bedroom, which is located right on the other side of your game room. And check out this view. This is amazing. I love how open and how airy it is upstairs. So bedroom number 2 upstairs actually has its own ensuite. I love that tile in the shower back there. But check out how massive this bedroom is. If you wanted to, you could fit a king size bed in this bedroom, large nightstands on either side of your bed. But this is something that I love for kids, right? You got a built-in desk. You can do your homework. There's no excuse. Right? You can do your homework right upstairs. You have a walk-in closet right over here as well. And one thing that you'll notice about Britton, in your secondary bedrooms, you don't have small bedrooms and you don't have tiny closets. That's one thing I love about this builder. Now, let's go to the front of the home on the other side of your game room and go and check out your third full bedroom that we have upstairs. I love the fact that we have a ton of windows in your game room, bringing in the natural light. But check this out, before we get to bedroom, which would be bedroom number 5 in the home, but the third one that we've seen today, we have this landing area right here. I love this. Could you imagine? I have one of my daughters, all she does is read. I could literally see her sitting here like reading. Oh, this is, I don't know if I want her to read this book. This is by Jack Higgins called Bad Company. But I can imagine her sitting here reading. What do you think about this floor plan, Skylar?
I love it. I love this area right here in particular.
Yeah, I could imagine either this being a reading area. All 3 of my kids are gamers. I can imagine them turning this into an area where, you know, I put a TV on the wall and maybe a desk here with their PC, so they can actually. My daughter plays Fortnite. She plays my son plays Call of Duty. So having a gaming area in the house as well for my kids is an absolute must. Let's go back and take a look at bedroom number 5, which, like I said before, is the third bedroom that we've seen today. This is a massive bedroom. This bedroom is built for a princess, and I love the fact that they have a desk in this room as well. You have an ensuite in this bedroom with your closet there, and the ensuite has those chevron style tile, and you have an octagon shaped tile on the floor. That's absolutely beautiful. Now, go ahead and follow me. We're gonna go back downstairs and go and see the heart of the home. And then we'll see your primary bedroom, and then we'll wrap this thing up. Welcome to the first level of this amazing home. Normally, we would start right here in your foyer, but we're not being traditional today. We are in your formal dining room. Beautiful tray style ceilings. I love the border that you have around the ceiling here. You have honey blonde floors that are carried throughout the first level of your home. But check out this chandelier. This is an absolutely beautiful light fixture right off of your foyer. Where I'm standing right now is your foyer. You have 22-foot ceilings right here at your entryway. And where we started the home tour at was right here in your dedicated study. I love the fact that your study is right at the landing of this staircase. Now, on this side of the home, we do have our first powder bath, our utility room, and bedroom number 1 is located on this side. We also have our 2-car garage located right over there. You have your curved staircase. It would be amazing to actually have your Christmas tree right here, because you got 20-foot ceiling. Wouldn't that be a perfect spot to put your Christmas tree, Skylar?
I was thinking the exact same thing.
Definitely. So leading right over into the heart of our home, welcome to your living room. I love this space. You have a ton of space right here in your living room, vaulted ceilings, beams on your ceiling here. I love that walnut colored beam that is carried across your ceiling. You have this concrete mantle with these porcelain tiles over your fireplace, 20 feet of porcelain tiles. May I say, you have built-ins on either side of your fireplace. You have enough space here to actually put a large sectional, because we know sectionals are extremely popular nowadays. This home has an open concept. Your living room, your dining room, your kitchen over here. Your dining room, you can actually put a large dining room table here with enough seating for at least 8 to 10. You really don't need that because you have formal dining at the front. I love this hutch here with these clear glass cabinet doors. I love the contrast of this cream color with the natural color wood that you have just below. So there's no shortage of storage in this home. Beautiful chandelier above your dining table and in your living room. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my favorite room in every single home, which is your kitchen. You have this natural quartzite waterfall edge countertop right over your island. You have 2 sinks in this kitchen, which is absolutely amazing. Monogram refrigerator right here. You have a monogram stove here as well. 6-burner monogram stove with a griddle. You have a ton of storage with 3 levels of cabinetry right here in your kitchen. That same quartzite is carried on this back counter and is added as a backsplash. Stainless steel appliances throughout, and your second sink is located right here overlooking your patio area. It has been raining on and off today, so we're not going to go out there, but I love the fact that you do have this window here. This would be perfect for serving, especially if you host guests. We could just let up this window, hand drinks out of the window. That would be perfect to keep people from running in and out of your home. Just on this side of your kitchen, you do have your built-in microwave and oven. You don't have double ovens built into the wall because this massive stove that you have has an oven just below it. Now, follow me right over here. I'm gonna take you guys into your primary bedroom. We have this wall of sliding glass doors overlooking the backyard. And just down this corridor, we actually have a built-in office nook right here. I'm gonna tell you, this looks really aesthetic, right? But for me, having a place to work outside of my bedroom is not going to cut it. If I have to work, I'm going to the study. I don't want to be reminded of work. This is really nice and aesthetic, but I think we can actually use this for something else. You know what I would put here is I would probably put a countertop here and put a wine cooler under there. I would keep drinks here, right? I'll keep drinks here so I can just grab a drink and come right into my primary bedroom. But ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the owner suite in this absolutely stunning home. Vaulted ceilings, that same walnut colored cedar beam is right here in your primary bedroom. You have a massive king size bed, 2 large nightstands, a wall of windows that allow all of this natural light to just pour into this room. You have room enough for a dresser on this side of the room. I love the fact that even in this model home, they did not put a TV in your primary bedroom because listen, all the movies need to be made here, not watched, right? So we make movies in our primary, but these double French doors lead us right over into our primary spa-like retreat. Ladies, could you imagine grabbing a bottle of champagne, laying down in your oval-shaped freestanding tub, and just relaxing after a not so hard day of work, but just enjoying your beautiful primary bedroom. You have chevron shaped tile on the floor, his and hers vanities. I love these floating vanities. They are underlit, which makes this space seem entirely contemporary. You have some beautiful gold fixtures and black fixtures in this primary bedroom. You have his and hers closet on either side of your walk-through shower. I love this. You don't have glass here, right? But it is a sunken walk-through shower. So you don't need glass on either side because the water is actually going to flow right in there. Your primary closet, like I said, you have your hers closet on that side. This is your his closet. His closet already has your built-in shelving. You don't have to go and hire California Closet because Britton has already done this for you. And if we go right through this door, this is something that is extremely convenient that I love that Britton does. You have your utility room just outside of your primary closet. Wasn't this home absolutely stunning? 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, nearly 5,000 square feet of interior living space. Like I told you guys before, this same exact floor plan is on the market for sale right now here in Star Trail for only $1.4 million. Same exact elevation, mind you. This is absolutely beautiful. If you would like more information about this or any other home on the market right now, feel free to scan the QR code that's on the screen to schedule a one-on-one consultation with me. If you so happen to be watching this on your cell phone, I'm gonna pop up my cell phone number here. You can actually shoot me over a text at 305-747-9311. Thank you so much for watching this home tour. Until the next home tour, God bless.